It's time for the FabFitFun Summer 2024 unboxing. Let's see what we got. Okay, I think they're all choice items. I think I had 6 choice custom items that I picked. But of course, you don't know what they look like until you actually get them. So these are by Beach Riot. These are awesome. Whenever I travel, I take the makeup bags with me and I put like my toothbrush, my skin creams, all of that in little pouches like this. And I love the clear pouches. They just sit on the sink wherever I go. So this is awesome. What else? My next big item. This is by Fun Boy. It's supposed to be a towel. Yes. It feels very soft. It's cute. It says Fun Boy. This will be definitely coming to the pool with us this summer. Cute. You can see everything's pink in my box so far. What else? This is a Kate Spade, and I'm ripping it up. I think it's a pitcher and glasses. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, with the lemons. Okay, I love the lemons. This is so cute. I chose everything that I'd wanted in my FabFitFun box, so I'm super excited. There are 2 glasses and a pitcher. This is perfect for outdoor dining. My kids will love it. We can make lemonade in it. Cool. And then wrinkle fighting patches, obviously. What is this? In Earth Harbor, I use this brand a lot. This is a serum with BHA and C postbiotics. So that's good. I'll be using this one. And last, what is this? This is, I chose this also, but I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. Oh, it is a hydrating lip tint. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how this looks. Oh, it's cool. It's a lipstick. All right, I'll definitely use this. You know, sometimes the choice items, you don't know what to use or what to buy or what to pick, but I usually pick brands I know and clean kind of makeup. So love it.